How to get Honeytoon subscription. First things first is open up your preferred web browser, but on this video I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now once you have opened up your browser, just head directly to honeytoon.com's official website, which is going to be on your screen right now. The first things first is make sure that you're fully logged into your account, and in here just go directly to the account portion, and in here that says your benefits, you don't have any coins of membership. For you to get the subscription, just click on become a member. Now you can choose four options in here. Now for premium, that's going to be giving you 4 weeks of full access that cost you around $3.25 per week. And for 12 weeks, that still has a full access, it's going to be $1.99 weekly. And then for 24 weeks, that's going to be $1.69. So these all subscriptions here is actually you can cancel any of these features anytime and if you will be changing your mind. Now for you to pay on it, just simply click this box right here and go ahead and continue so you'll be redirected to your preferred payment method. So that's how you get Honeytoon subscription.